Billy as the as the kuya of the crew and as someone as someone na yun nga has been here sa industry ng medyo matagal na, tapos yun na nakilala ka naman talaga abroad na magaling na singer, performer. How would you assess yung music at yung pagiging performer ng dalawang younger silang dalawa, si James at si Sam? Ano masasabi mo sa musicality nila at sa style nila?
Well, umpisa ako kay Sam. Sam, actually, kasama ni Chris Lawrence, sinulat namin yung No Limitations para kay Sam. Sam, bata pa lang siya actually. I thought he was one of the dopest performers dito sa Pilipinas. So musically, alam na natin kung anong capacity ni Sam because he is a musician, diba? And James, I was really shocked nung unang beses na narinig ko siya. Alam mo yun kasi kay James, he has his own identity. He's not trying to be like anybody else. And sorry, but he's got balls. You know, he doesn't take no for an answer, you know? That's why I like this guy. Kasi I respect him for that. He really is passionate about music. He's a producer, he's a songwriter. He owns his own record company. He's producing for other... Tama na. Lumalaki na ba? Ang laki na. Kulang na lang, lilipad na yung ulo eh. Hindi, joke lang. But yeah, I really take a lot from them. Marami ako natututunan. And for me, it really is God's plan sa akin lang. Because I finished my album exactly on time. And for me to be able, like my first single, kasama ko si James. You know, so they're big influences sa buhay ko, especially in the music industry.
Kamusta naman yung work ethics nila? Are they both professional?
Super professional. Eh si James, minsan hindi mo makakausap yan. Kasi when he's really in the zone, in his music, you know what I mean, right? Pag nakikinig ng music, whatever, bro, take a look, watch this, or listen to this, excited. You know what I'm saying? And he's got passion, he's got fire. And the same thing with this guy, but both of us are excited to hear and what, you know, Sam is capable of bringing too, you know? And
Sam is my, sorry, Bill.
Go ahead, brother.
You said so many nice things about
Go ahead, say something nice.
Sam is my favorite singer, like, of all time.
Wow!
It's true.
That's why we're friends.
Kasi yun na nga, kasi magkaibigan kayo, di ba?
Hindi, sa akin, sa totoo lang, my top 2 male singers dito sa Pilipinas is JR, and then it's Sam. Vocal.
Wow.
No,
Wow.
I told you that's you. I told you, bro.
Mag-react ka doon, Sam.
Hindi ko parang marami nangyayari, hindi ko hindi ako react.
Ayan.
Pressure tuloy ko ngayon na dahil sa mga sinabi nila, tapos gagawin namin yung show na to. But yeah, I looked up to Billy for a long time. Mutual Admiration Society. So this is, yeah, looked up to him and since yung first ko na nakanta na ginawa nila. And being James's friend, aside from being his friend, I have so much respect for his music. This guy, yung grind niya, yung passion niya is really in his music, and he's just so gifted when it comes to writing. And I think that really is his passion and where he's going to be really, really successful at. So we haven't seen the best of his work yet. Legit, bro.
Wow. James, ayun nga, aside from being a close friend to Sam, what made you say na siya yung favorite singer mo of all time? Sabi mo?
Yes, my favorite singer.
Wow. Oh, what made you say that?
Para sa akin, he's better singer and dancer than Chris Brown.
Ooh! Mic drop. Talaga?
Yes. And you're going to see that in our concert.
That's right.
O tapos, pinuri mo ng todo si Sam. Ano naman yung nice words mo for Billy?
Hindi nyo na kailangan ibalik sa akin doon because we share the same exact feeling towards Sam as well.
Billy has so much wisdom.
That's because I'm older.
Ang taray, wisdom na talaga pinag-uusapan sa'yo. Hindi pinuri yung talent mo, Billy. Wisdom.
Ngipin kasi ako eh.
Guys, and yun na.
Hindi po matutuloy yung concert kasi may isang mamamatay.
Nilag ka.
This is one of the reasons why I love these guys, you know, kasi hindi sila magsisinungaling whatever. Kasi honestly, we just recently connected and we just recently met through Sam, you know what I'm saying, and through music, nag-connect kami. So, we're all getting to know each other, but ang totoo nito, both kami, iniidolo kasi namin si Sam. So, we're just really excited to be with Sam.
Grabe, todo na to, Sam. Parang pa-tribute na to sa'yo, Sam, ha?
I'm blushing. Kinikilig ako right now. Ito.
Tapos yun nga, Billy, alam namin kayo ni Sam talaga. You're both vocally, talagang ang galing yung ng voice nyo. Tapos yung pagsasayaw nyo, talagang grabe rin kayo mag-perform. So, si James ba kayang sumabay dun sa inyong energy at sa inyong mga vocal power? James, how do you feel dun sa part na yon?
That's one of the things I was like most nervous about at the start when they asked me if I wanted to do this concert with Sam and Billy. I knew that I was the weakest vocally, and they're both amazing dancers, but that made me want to do it so much more. So I have to really level up. I really have to step up, and I really have to step up to reach my dream of being as good as my two idols.
O, di ba, humble?
You're one idol.
Ano masasabi mo dun, Sam? Bilang you know him kung ano yung capacity ni James, di ba? So, paano siya makaka-level up sa inyong dalawa ni Billy?
He has the ability to do so, and he can do something. He can do many things that I can't do, for sure. He's his own artist. He has his own thing. He has the X factor, and that's something that you can't teach or can't acquire if you don't. If you just have it, and he has it.
Oo, and aside from that, actually, in all fairness to James, kung paramihan ng fans, parang yung fans niya talaga dadagsabi doon, di ba? Parang sa kanya pa lang pwede na mapuno yung Araneta, di ba? So yun naman ang kanyang doon. Let's give it to him.
I'm here to fill out the Colosseum.
Ayun. So tapos, last na, ikaw muna Sam, how hands-on are you dito sa sa concert na to? Ano yung mga sariling suggestions? Ano yung mga input nyo para mas personal yung experience ng manonood?
I think we all came together to meet about the concert. Pinano namin from start to finish, together with, of course, our musical director Marcus Davis in the band. We chose the songs that we like, na gusto namin i-perform, plus yung mga kanta namin. Maybe sometimes even songs na we thought that we want each other to sing, or maybe it would be parang it was a good brainstorming, and we spent all day putting that together, and nabuo namin siya.
Ikaw Sam, ano mismo yung sinabi mo na dapat meron ito on your end? Ano yung gusto mo talaga nandun sa concert?
I think just yung mga song choice namin. Kasi kung gusto namin na maging seamless yung show, ayaw din naman namin na nakakapagod siya panoorin kung puro siya sunod. I think it's how the show flows.
Ikaw Billy, in terms of your own personal input, ano yung mga talagang sinabi mo na dapat ganito?
Di lang ako yung may wisdom.
Oo, di ba?
Ginugulo mo lang. Just kidding. I know. No, sa akin, yun nga, lahat, to be honest with you, is mutual. Lahat, honestly. From the start of the show, kung ano yung mangyayari sa mga TV screens namin or LEDs, kung ano yung takbo, gaano katagal, lahat kami equal distribution talaga eh. Kasi we all wanted to sing certain songs. Tapos we had to compromise and work together para to choose something that we can all sing together and perform together. So, yung flow ng show ay talagang kami, tatlo.
Not just the song choices, but gimmicks,
everything.
special things for the the stage and then for the performance na hindi pa namin pwede sabihin. But yeah, there's a lot more than just song choice.
Thank you guys. Good luck.